Samsung has launched its latest phone in the low-cost ON series, the Galaxy On7 Prime in India. We got to try out the smartphone at the launch event in New Delhi. Here are our first impressions. The new Galaxy On7 Prime is reminiscent of the Galaxy J7 Prime at first glance. It has a metal unibody with decent weight distribution. The phone feels good in the hand and its design is premium for its price segment. There is a 5.5-inch Full HD display on the front, below which is a physical home button which also houses the fingerprint sensor. There's a capacitive key on either side of the home button. We found the display to have good brightness, as is the case with most Samsung phones. The fingerprint sensor was quick and responsive in our brief initial experience. The On7 Prime runs Samsung Experience 8.5 based on Android 7.1.1 Nougat. This includes a one-handed mode, split screen, multi-window and smart alerts. Samsung is marketing its new Samsung Mall feature that incorporates visual recognition. The smartphone also comes with Bixby Voice Assistant. The phone has a 13-megapixel rear camera with an f1.9 aperture and autofocus. The front camera also has a 13-megapixel sensor and an f1.9 aperture. Samsung has included features like stickers, face filters, and Samsung Mall integration. On the hardware front, the phone is powered by a 1.6 GHz Octa-Core Exynos 7870 processor. It comes in two variants, one with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, while the other has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Both support storage expansion of up to 256 GB using a microSD card. The phone is priced at 12,990 rupees for the 3 GB RAM variant and 14,990 rupees for the 4 GB RAM variant. It will be sold exclusively on Amazon India, and the first sale will be held on January 20th. Jio users can take advantage of a 2,000 rupee cashback offer. Thanks for watching. For all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.